Okay, guys, we have reached in this linear law to the level where we are going to try the questions which are basically the exam level questions. And here you will be seeing the real applications of the application of the linear law. Now look at this. It says the variables x and y satisfy the equation y equal to a times x raised to power n, where a and n are constants. The graph of L and y against L and y is a straight line passing through the points this and this. Find the value of a and the value of n correct to two significant figures. Acha bacho. So look at this. This is your basic equation. And how come you people are having ln y here, ln x here? For that purpose, you have to exercise that thing that you have been doing so far, converting a non-linear equation into the linear equation. And this ln with both x and y is a big hint for you people, okay? So we apply log to both the sides of this equation. We have ln y and then ln a times x raised to power n. So this gives us ln y equals ln a plus ln x raised to power n. This is your ln y, this is ln a, and this is going to be plus n ln x. Let me write this once more. This is n ln x plus ln a. So guys, this is your y, this is your m, this is your x, and this is your c. So if you find the gradient of this line, that will be the value of n. And if you people are able to find the intercept here, that will be the value of this ln a. Okay, so um, I, I believe you people are convinced that if we had the actual values of x and y, and then we took their ln y and ln x, and then if we had plotted that, this would be this line over here, which is passing through these two given points. Okay, so now the equation that satisfies these 2 points, this one, let me call this point P and this point Q. These 2 points are satisfied by this equation. Okay, this ln x is basically your capital X, and this ln y is your capital Y. Okay, so first of all, I can say that this 4.02 is equal to, or let's just find the gradient. Let's use the gradient formula here, y2 minus y1. Please take out your calculators, guys. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is 0.31. Tell me quickly, what is this m? Hurry up.
0.994.
1 minute. So this is 0.9914. You're saying that 1 4
No,
4.
only 4.
Okay. So this is, you should write this correct to 5 6 decimal places, and like when you're going to give the value of n, we can say that n is going to be 0.994. But if you still have to use this value in for finding another unknown, then you should be using this as accurate as possible. ठीक है ना? खैर, now this equation becomes y equals, instead of this m, I'll be writing 0.994x plus c. Now let's use one of these points.
I think that value of m is wrong. It can't be that. I'm getting something different as well. And it has to be.
Yeah, this has to be negative, I think.
I'm getting minus 0.526. Yeah,
Uh,
minus 10 by 19.
just
Minus 10 by 19.
just 1 minute. Let me cover this. Let me cover this. So what is this value?
It's minus 10 by 19.
Minus 10.
By 19. By 19.
Okay, that's good thing. We have the exact value here. That is minus 10 by 19. So this one here. Okay. Uh, this is minus 10 by 19x. Now let's put the point P or Q into it so that we can get to the value of this A. So y, I'm using point P, okay? This is 4.02, that is equal to minus 10 over 19 times 0.31 plus C. Now tell me quickly, what is this C? Yes, hurry up. Tell me what is the C?
0.1832.
Okay, because you see, I still have to take its logarithm here. This C is basically the value of ln A. So now I would say that, okay, I have here ln A that is equal to 4.1832. And this A is going to be ln inverse of this 4.1832. Please find that. That is basically e raised to power 4.1832. Tell me what is this value?
65.5.
65.5. Okay. 65.5. Okay. Uncle is saying, I just have seen it here. Uncle wants us to give the values of A and N correct to two significant figures. Okay. So you better find this now in decimals and tell me what is this minus 10 over 19. Hmm? Minus 10 over 19 correct to two significant
It's
figures.
minus 0.53.
Minus 0.53. Okay, that is your M. That is the final answer. Okay, so I want you people to look at this, that how we have used these 2 points, how we converted this non-linear equation into a linear equation, and we assume that this n is the gradient and this ln A is C. First, we found the values of M and C, and then we got to the values of N and ln A. This was the most important thing here. The C was basically representing ln A. So we found C using this linear equation, and then we substituted this with ln A. Okay? Let's move to the next question from here now. Acha, third question, the variables x and y. Just a minute, let me complete this question and then you can ask your question, okay? Y is equal to this. Now, guys, you see, you have y here, but what is taken here, that is ln y. So that means that is a hint for you people that you will have to apply log on both the sides. So let's do that. Yes, we have again 2 points. Let me call this point P and this is the point Q over here. So this is going to be ln y equal to, can I directly write it as ln k plus ln e raised to power n into x minus 2, है ना? So this is ln y, that is equal to ln k plus n into x minus 2 ln e. And we know that ln e is 1, है ना? So once again, ln y is equal to ln k plus nx. Oh yes, look at this question now. Guys, this is finally ln y equal to nx and then plus ln k minus 2 and good question. Now guys, all of this is your C here. All of this is C. This one is your Y, okay? And the gradient would be this N, okay? So now the equation is Y, this one is your C here. So Y is equal to mx plus C, okay? Now let's find the gradient first of all. If you have found that, tell me quickly, 4.33 minus 1.84 y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is this gradient, bacho?
0.41.
0.41.
5.
0.41.
5.
5. Okay. Now this equation becomes y is equal to 0.415x plus c. Now let's use one. Let's, yeah, the final answer would, this n would be 0.42. Yes, correct, to two significant figures. Now let's put this point p into it. This will give us 1.84, that is 0.41 into 1 plus C. Okay, so the C is going to be 1.84 minus 0.415. So what is the C, bacho?
9.53.
9.53. Okay, now let's try to find this value of K now. Can I say now, bacho?
K की value बताइए.
Or tell me what is the C?
1 point
1 point, 1 point
1.425.
425. Okay, 1.425. Okay, bacho. Now, all of this ln k minus 2n, let me put the value of n here, that is the nearer value, the more exact value. That is equal to 1.425. You have to solve all of this, and then they are saying they're getting this k as 9.53. So guys, you have to confirm this to see. Acha, meeting these conditions, how to write the answer, this should be 9.5. है ना? This k is 9.5 and this n is 0.42. Okay, let me find some question from past papers now. So here's a question from the past papers. This is from June 2011. Okay, so try this question number 7, and then I'll do that. Hello, bacho. This was a past year question. So you have to see that you've given ln y here, ln x here, and that is always a hint for you that how to break this non-linear equation into a linear equation. Okay. So I'll be taking log on both the sides. So this is ln y equal to, and let me skip some steps this time here. This is ln x raised to power m. So we have ln y equals ln k plus m ln x. So finally, this is ln y equals m ln x plus ln k. So this is our y, this is our x, this one is the c, and this one is the gradient, and this is by chance labeled as m. So we have the equation here, y is equal to mx plus c. Now this time we can easily find the c because we have this intercept here. So the c is simply 2.0. So I can put this ln k equal to 2.0. ln k is equal to 2.0. So your k is simply e square. You can even leave it like this, but he says give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So for the future reference, we'll keep it as e square. And for the quotation of the answer, we should write this correct to 2 decimal places. So what do we have when you write this correct to 2 decimal places?
7.4.
7.4. 39. Okay. So you please remember, you have to see that in what up to what level of accuracy the examiner is asking for the answer. Now this is, we have to find the gradient now. So that is not a big deal here. The gradient is going to be 10.2 minus 2.0 over 6 minus 0. That is 8.2 over 6. So what is this correct to 2 decimal places?
1.37.
1.37. So what was difficult in this year? This ends here.
No, sir, I was inserting the values wrong, x, y axis.
Okay. Now let me see if we have one more question from past papers. Now this should be the last question of our class today. Okay, let's try this. I think guys, look at this question again. This is the non-linear equation here, and we have a line here. So when we have to convert this non-linear into the linear equation, this is always a clue for you. Okay, so we start by taking natural log on both the sides. So this is ln y equals ln k plus ln b raised to power x. So this is ln y. I'm going to write this one first. This is ln b into x and then plus ln k. So बच्चों, this is our y here, this is the gradient, and this one is the intercept. So the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so let's find this m first of all. M is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, है ना? So that is going to be 0.4 over 0.8. Yes, is that right? Yeah, that is going to be 0.2, 0.5, sorry, is 0.5. Okay, so your equation becomes y is equal to 0.5x plus c. So let's find the c now. So let's use this point. This is point P. This is, I'm using point P here. This is 1.7. That is going to be 0.5 into 2.3 plus c. Now tell me, what is the c now? Minus
0.5.
plus. This is 0.65. Yes. Hello. I think this is 1.15, है ना?
G is 0.65.
0.55.
0.55. This is 0.55. Okay. So now let us find the values of k and b. So this c is basically ln k. Okay. So I'm going to put this ln k equal to 0.55. So this k is going to be e raised to power 0.55. That is ln inverse of 0.55. And you can find this to the calculator. And then this ln b is equal to 0.5. And your b is going to be e raised to power 0.5. And you have the calculators with you. And you can get to the values. And you have, remember to write these values correct to 2 decimal places. By the way, what are these two values? What is k?
So 1.73.
And
1.73.
what is this b?
1.65.
1.6.
5.
Okay, so this ends the question. This ends the topic. Thank you very much.